Hey, welcome to my channel. My name is Mary and I finished this lovely painting from Gogo. Little diamonds. The Tom and Jerry collection is very, very cute. I have them all, so I will show you from time to time on my channel. And yeah, it's ready. It's cute. I love the Diamond Art Club rounds. They are really nice. So I finished it yesterday and I have a lot of leftovers. I really need to do more diamond painting because I'm not finishing much in the moment. Let me see the trash. Yeah, it's not much. It's only this, but yeah, it's a small painting, guys. So if you paint a lot, you will make this in one day, I guess. But I'm not that fast. Life is getting in the way most of the time. Um, so this is my painting for October. I hope you like it. If you have questions, just send me something in the comments and I love to chat with you. Till next time. Bye.